Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Kajabi Events for webinars and workshops. It's a simple way to keep your live sessions organized and boost your marketing efforts. But before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. So if you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you'll get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. Now in this course, I'll show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step. But that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now those are worth over $900, but you'll get them at no cost. And the best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. Now let's dive in. Kajabi events are a great way to run webinars, workshops, or live training sessions. An event in Kajabi is based on a specific date and time, so you can plan emails and automations around it. Now this makes it easy to keep everything organized and on track. For example, if you're hosting a free webinar or a paid workshop, you can set up an onboarding process that keeps your audience excited and informed. They'll get all of the details that they need before and after the event so nothing gets missed. For instance, if you have a marketing webinar on the 20th of the month, Kajabi can send out reminder emails and follow-ups based on the date. Now this works no matter when someone signs up, so managing your event becomes simple and stress-free. Building an effective email sequence, the beauty of Kajabi Events is how it keeps your email communication perfectly in sync with your event's timeline. Unlike regular email campaigns that send messages based on when someone signs up, event-based emails are tied to the actual date of your event. For example, if your webinar is on the 20th and it's the first day of the month, you can plan a series of emails. Now, these might go out 15 days, 10 days, 5 days, 2 days, and 1 day before the event. Now, you can even send a quick reminder 10 minutes before the event starts. Now this way, everyone who signs up, whether it's early or last minute, gets the right reminders and instructions at the right time. For example, if someone signs up 17 days before the webinar, they'll get the first set of emails. Now these emails introduce the event and share all of the important details, but if someone registers on the same day as the webinar, they'll still get a quick reminder before it starts. Now this way, everyone has a smooth and professional experience. After the webinar ends, you can set up follow-up emails. These emails can thank attendees, share links to the recordings, or even include special offers for future events. Now, this keeps your audience engaged and shows appreciation for their time. Another big advantage of Kajabi Events is how simple it is to set up automations. You just set up your event date and email sequence, and Kajabi handles everything else. Every step, like adding a registrant or sending automated emails, happens on its own. You don't need to manage each part manually anymore. For example, after your webinar, you can set up an automation to tag every attendee's profile. Later, you can use those tags to group your audience for follow-up promotions or special offers. It's all done seamlessly, saving you time and effort. Kajabi makes it easy to build your event-based email sequences with its visual funnel builder. Now you can see everything in one place: landing pages, registration forms, checkout pages, and email automations. It's all laid out clearly so you can understand how everything works together. Plus, the visual setup makes things simple. It helps you spot any gaps or areas that need fixing right away. It's like having a clear map of your entire event marketing plan, which can really help you boost conversions. One of the best parts about Kajabi Events is how easy it is to duplicate an event that you've already set up. So if you regularly run webinars or workshops, this can save you a lot of time. For example, if you host a monthly training session, you can set up a template with all of your emails and automations ready to go. Then, when it's time for your next session, just duplicate the event. You only need to update the date and tweak a few details, and you're all set. Now, this feature keeps everything consistent from your communication to your branding and gives you more time to focus on delivering great content during the event. Analyzing performance with built-in analytics. Kajabi makes it easy to track how well your event emails are doing. So after you set up your event and you send out your emails, you can see detailed stats like how many emails were sent, how many people opened them, and how many clicked on the links. Now, this is super helpful for improving your emails over time. For example, if you see that the email sent 10 days before the event doesn't get opened as much, you could try a new subject line or adjust the content to grab more attention. Being able to review these stats helps you improve your marketing and ensures your audience stays interested and informed. And that's it for this video. video. And as I promised, I've got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that gives you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. And that means that you're going to get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test all of the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, so I'm going to receive a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you're going to get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And this is just a quick program where I'm going to walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. And we're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. But that's not all. When you use my link, you're also going to get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you're going to get them at no charge. And the best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I want to make it easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. If you want to know more, just let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Now, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.